One of the first things you should do when you get your produce home from the store is to get it out of the plastic. The plastic, for one thing, it's convenient, it helps you to see it, but really plastic is not really good for us. It contains some harmful chemicals and you don't want it on your food. And so one of the things that I like is to take it, and even though it has holes, is for example these beautiful mushrooms. I have been using these Pro Keepers by Progressive. Check out the link that's described, and it's great to put your produce. It helps it keep longer. And now make sure with mushrooms you wait to clean them, and you never wet them, but you wait to clean them off. Paper towel will do, just when you're ready to use them. And the nice thing that I like about this is I can see exactly what's in it in the refrigerator. They come in a variety of sizes. Now here I have some broccoli, and again, it's convenient. The stores like to wrap it in plastic, but I want to make sure and take it out. And so for example, I have this next side. I can just stick it in here. Again, it's going to stay nice. Certain produce need a little bit of moisture, so this bottom comes off, and you could put 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Certain produce also needs to be vented for air, and so you can flip it up or down, and that keeps it fresh longer. Now this size is perfect because I'm going to put my cabbage. Now here's a little secret. One of the things that I like to do when I buy cabbage is take the few outer leaves off, and this particular one is organic. I like to use organic produce when I can, and you see they will store nicely in here. Now here's a good reason to remove the plastic. This got pushed to the back of my refrigerator, and I did spend extra to get organic, but that plastic tends to make this, the produce sweat. So as you can see, there's actually mold growing on here. But that's another reason to remove the plastic. It's easy to leave it on and not think about it until we're ready to use it, but I like to go ahead and do that. Certain things are fine to wash. As I said, I'm gonna wash the broccoli, the cabbage, but then the mushrooms, I won't. So again, check these out. They come in different sizes. I often keep my carrots, and the thing that I love is they stack nicely in the refrigerator. Produce costs so much, and so we don't want to waste our money. We want to pay the extra to have good organic things that are healthier, so let's take care of them so they stay fresh and they taste better in the long run.